Thank you, everybody, for being here. Come on in. I want to make sure everybody has a worksheet. Can you help me make? Thank you so much. I am so happy and a little surprised to see so many faces here at 7:15 in the morning for a topic that has the word science in the title. So you are here to get something, aren't you? And I want to make sure you get it. In a minute, I'm actually going to ask you to share with me what you hope to leave here in an hour with, because I will flex and bend to make sure you get that. But before I do, I want to tell you why I'm here at 7:15 in the morning with a topic that has science in it. I came up, biology degree, and went into environmental science and engineering. I was gung-ho. It was an expansive time in the industry, and I gave it everything I got, literally. I suffered burnout and became a statistic in that leaky pipeline. I left the career, I left the field, left everything I was trained to do up until that point. My marriage crashed, my health crashed, and eventually I couldn't even do the work. So the price of burnout is staggering. It took me almost 10 years to regain the salary level I had at the time I burned out. So it's something I feel strongly about. I went back to school in my recovery plan, got a master's in psychology and a lot of credentials in holistic wellness, helping leadership develop their well-being, resiliency, and all of the skills it takes to show up as our best self. It's something I'm very committed to. And now here we come back from this pandemic and all of the struggles and the new way forward. It's my social responsibility to show up and support the people who are willing to come to a session at 7:15 in the morning. So I want to make sure, and then here we have HR. So already the heartbeat of the company, fingers on all of the things that influence someone's experience. And what happened 2 weeks ago, Forbes reported a study, burnout rate among human resources, 98%. Does that sound right? It's stunning and it's tragic, and it is potentially can bring down our corporations. So this is a topic I'm really passionate about. So if you don't mind, I would like to hear from some of you what you want to get, what you want to walk out the door with, because I want to make sure you get it.